Basically I make it one sketch with the ink, that is a tribal, and after that we start the painting. Okay, this is how 10 minutes we are making some one ink work. So first basic stone I am making the circle for heads, basic head shape. In middle, if I divide it, here eyes. Okay, this is circle. I divided it. And here, when you divide it, here is the eyes. Okay, and here is a nose. So this is basically a circle, and I make it one box. In this circle, in between the circle, I make one box. 1, 2, 3, 4, one box. In this box, in middle eyes, this is nose, and this is the forehead. This is the nose. Okay. So now I make eyes, and then nose, and then I extend little parts for chin. Fine, this is okay, and here in the middle, here is the ear. Okay, this is basic shapes I create first. Here the torso part. So here is a circle, here is a neck, here is a torso, like this. Okay, and they wear, and on top of head they wear some long feather. This is a long feather of birds. Okay, so whatever I'm doing in red color, this is rough. So we can make it lots of line. In this stage we can using lots of line. Tribal ornaments. Hand. Just roughly I show once again. Step 1, circle. Step 2, make a box in between circle. This is step 1. If you are make it one circle and in between one box. So this is eyes, this is forehead, that much forehead, this is the eyes, and this is nose. So like this, forehead, here is the eyes, okay, and here is the nose. That much is done, compulsory. That is okay. Now here, the same height, I create that much same height, or little bigger. Here is a mouth. That is actually the dimension of human face. And then after that, this is the head. After that, I just make neck and the chest like this. This is the human.
Are you all my personal
Like this.
এই বক্সটা বেশ তোমার মাথায় হবে
হ্যাঁ ধরো এটা একটা সার্কেলটা এটা দুটো থেকে ভাগ করো, এটা চারদিকে একদম মাঝখানে হচ্ছে। এইবার তুমি ভাবে যদি সব দিকে সমান থাকে আর কি, তাহলে তোমার এটা চলে আসবে। এটা খুব হালকা করে করলে হুম, this is very roughly you can do this. After that you just erasing this slightly extra color because you are using with a pen and ink. So I just next 5 minutes I
Are you all my personal dream? Everything you know is in your mind. Are you all my personal dream? Are you all my personal dream? Everything you know is in your mind.
কি পেন দিয়ে আছে?
pen, yeah.
কিরকম পেন? বল।
এটা না, এটা নিব পেন, ফাইলট নিব পেন। যেমন আগের দিনে সেখানে সই করতো আর লেখা
হ্যাঁ,
লেখা
হ্যাঁ।
এখানে একটা ইয়ে পেনাটা কিনে নেবো, ওটা খুব ভালো কাজ হয় আর কি। এই টাইপের পেন আর ইঙ্কের কাজগুলো খুব সুন্দর হয়।
Are you all my personal dreams?
এই ছবিগুলো সব কি গুগলে পাওয়া যায়?
হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ, এগুলো পাওয়া যাবে।
Are you all my personal dreams? Everything you know is in your mind.
এই পেনটাতে পাবো?
করো করো।
এই পেনটা?
হবে হবে, তো হবে, হতেই হবে, করো। মানে জাস্ট ইউজ পেন অনলি, পেন্সিল ছাড়া,
Are
যাতে
you all my
মানে
personal
যেহেতু এতে মশার সম্ভব মানে ইয়ে নয়, যেন ডাইরেক্ট করছো তো কতটা সিরিয়াস হয়ে কিরম এফেক্ট আসে। So I can just make some feathers on top of it. So it looks like a tribal. And with this feather also, some feather is a dark black color, some feather is white. Just need to, if you need to improve your drawing skill, just experiment with pencil, paint, charcoal, different medium and different kind of drawing.
Are you all my
So
personal dreams?
automatically you are improving your skill. Just use little colored sketch here. Few area I just put in color. Brown. Just a few color tone. It looks more toned skin, this blackish.
Are you all my personal dreams?
फिर बीच में बात करो।
I'm just using bronze sienna. It's mixed with black ink. It's coming little dark
Everything you know is in your
bronze sienna or blues kind of little violet kind of this color, because of this color is not everywhere, just little touch few area. So it's come some new kind of. Hello. Hi Shraddha, tell me beta. Yeah, just I show you where it is. Just a minute. Beta.
Are you all my personal
You are from Nayargarh, right? Okay, you come in front of road. Okay, I go outside and I just the same road in front of Leon Grill. You can come little forward. Just 1 second, I come. Just a second. Yeah.